Hello, and thank you for choosing Sashimi for your lab. In this guide, we will walk you through how to install Sashimi on a fume hood. In your package, you will get an installation kit, which will include the alignment card, hex key, whiteboard marker, pin, and cable management clips. You will also get your Sashimi separated into multiple parts. There is the sensor itself, an adjustable mounting arm, a mounting plate, two screws that are in the sensor and mounting plate, and your sash sticker. Sashimi can be installed in 4 possible areas. When deciding the area, ensure that there is space to install the sensor and sash sticker without covering non-removable stickers or other objects. The sash sticker will be located in either of these areas. If installing the sensor on the top of the fume hood, use the hex key to take the screw from the sensor and loosely add the screw into the arm on the left side of the sensor. If installing on the sides of the fume hood, use the hex key to take the screw from the sensor and loosely add the screw into the arm on the top side of the sensor. Remove the screw from the mounting plate and loosely add the screw into the arm and mounting plate gears. Ensure there is still enough room for the gears to move freely. The next step is crucial for getting accurate measurements from your sensor. You will be installing a sash sticker directly underneath where you intend to install the sensor. There are several things to note as you do this. First, decide where you would like to install the sash sticker. The sash sticker should be straight up and down, so to ensure that it is aligned properly, use the whiteboard marker to make at least 4 marks on the sash, all the same distance away from the edge. This will help you line up your sash sticker, and we recommend a distance of anywhere between ½ an inch to 2 inches from the side, but the exact distance can vary depending on if you have any obstacles or other constraints. There are 2 distinct sides of the sash sticker. It is important to make sure that the left side has 1-inch square blocks and a gradient of white to black. This is the minor side. The right side is called the major side and should have longer rectangular blocks. The sash sticker comes in one 32-inch size to fit most fume hood sashes. If the sash sticker is too long, please cut the sash sticker from the bottom side in a straight line across the sticker. The bottom side is the side where both the major and minor sides of the sticker are black. The sash sticker should cover the entire area the sensor is expected to measure. If you need a longer sash sticker, please contact us at team@sustainably.org and a custom sash sticker can be made for you. Use the marks on the sash that we just made and remove the sash sticker backing starting from the top, which is the side with white on both the minor and major sides. Slowly remove it as you place the sash sticker, and use the alignment card to slide over the sash sticker as you place it down to remove any bubbles. Now it is time to install the Sashimi sensor onto your fume hood. Please place the alignment card with the wavy side down against the sash near the top of the sash sticker. Make sure the dotted lines on the card are aligned with the edges of the sash sticker. Next, place the sensor part of Sashimi over its silhouette on the alignment card. The alignment card will help to ensure that the sensor is correctly placed over the sash sticker. Note that it is not centered on the sticker. The alignment card also ensures that the sensor is an adequate distance away from the sash for optimal sensor readings. If the sensor is too close to the sash, it will not have accurate readings. Move the alignment card and sensor combo up and down the sash sticker to find a vertical position of the card and sensor that allows you to rotate the mounting plate to a stable position on the frame of the fume hood, as well as leaving enough room for the USB cable to be plugged in at the top of the sensor. Make sure the sensor stays aligned and flush with the card. Once you find a suitable position, tighten the screws at either end of the adjustable arm, at the mounting plate and the sensor. We recommend that you first adjust and lock in the mounting plate side, and then you can do more fine-tuning adjustment on the sensor side without the gear teeth. Now that your Sashimi is tightened, take the alignment card and sensor off and remove the backing of the tape from the mounting plate. Again, put the alignment card and sensor back in the same place you had it before over the sash sticker and press the mounting plate flush against the fume hood. Press for several seconds to ensure that the device is secured. Next, connect the USB cable to the Sashimi sensor, and you can optionally thread this cable through the cable management holes located on the sensor. Next, we will configure and calibrate the Sashimi sensor. Please open the web tool at ota.sustainably.org and click on the Sashimi configuration option. Once there, connect the Sashimi sensor via the USB-C cable to your computer. If needed, we have also provided a USB-C to USB-A cable that can be used instead. Press the blue Connect button and a pop-up will appear where you should select the CP2102N USB to UART option, and then click Connect. Then select the Logs and Console option, which will bring up a terminal. To start the terminal running, please click Reset Device on the bottom right. This will reset your Sashimi sensor, and it will start blinking green and then start blinking blue. The blue blinks will last for 10 seconds, and during that 10-second interval, you need to click the button on the Sashimi sensor 3 times to start the configuration process. Then, follow the prompts that are listed on the screen. To be able to input and respond to the prompts, you first have to click and put your cursor down at the bottom of the terminal. You can click Enter through the first step, and then the next step will ask you if you want to configure Wi-Fi. To configure Wi-Fi, type in a capital Y and click Enter. Then enter your SSID or network name and network password. Next, it will ask if you would like to configure the Sash sticker readings. This will tell your specific sensor what readings it gets from each of the 8 gradient colors from white to black. Please type in uppercase Y and continue with the instructions on the screen. Move the sash such that the sensor is directly reading over the highest white square on the left or minor side that it can see. Then, press the button to take a measurement. You will then repeat this process, moving the sash by 1 inch each time so that the sensor can read each of the 8 different gradient colors from white to black. Then, you will do a similar process on the right or major side. However, if your sash is less than 32 inches long and you cut any of the squares off, there will no longer be 8 distinct colors on the major side. Please count the number of colors in different rectangles on the right or major side and type that number into the prompt. Then, repeating the same process that you did for the minor side, put the Sashimi sensor over each of the different colors and press the button for each one. Lastly, you will be prompted to calibrate the sash height. Please type in uppercase Y and click Enter. First, close your fume hood sash completely to the bottom. Then press the button on the Sashimi sensor. Next, raise your fume hood to the maximum safe operating height. This is typically denoted by some sort of sticker or arrow on your sash. Again, click the button. Lastly, raise the fume hood all the way to the maximum height that it can open, and click the button. Your Sashimi sensor is now configured and calibrated, and you should start to see data readings populate in this terminal. You can now disconnect the sensor from your computer. After configuring your Sashimi sensor, connect the USB cable to the provided wall adapter and connect the device to power. In most cases, there will be excess wire, so we have provided cable management clips in your installation kit that you can optionally use to pull the wire taut and secure it on the side of the fume hood.